Hello and welcome to this tutorial where I'll be showing you how to connect your iPhone XS Max to the TV. Using this easy to follow technique, you can be up and running in seconds. However, if you do have any questions about this process, then please leave them in the comments below and we'll be more than happy to answer them for you. To connect your iPhone XS Max to your TV, you'll firstly need to purchase a special adapter. While there are a few Lightning to HDMI adapters on the market that can do the job, I would recommend the following official Apple adapter as it's an official accessory that looks great and is highly portable. Once you have the adapter to hand, simply connect your HDMI cable to the back of your TV, then the other end to the adapter's HDMI port, before plugging the Lightning connector into your phone. This will then trigger your TV or computer monitor to mirror your phone, allowing you to show off anything and everything on your phone with no limitations. This is ideal for playing games, browsing the internet, showing off your holiday snaps, as well as watching popular video services like YouTube, BBC iPlayer and even Netflix, which works absolutely perfect with this process. While most streaming services will work perfectly, some will block this process. For example, apps like Sky Go and other sports streaming services. While this may not be the only way to view content from your phone to your TV, it is certainly the best, offering the easiest setup and the most comprehensive experience possible. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to connect your iPhone XS Max to the TV. For more information and to purchase this amazing adapter, please see the links in the comments and description.